Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the power steering pump in 2007 Volvo XC90. Now this is, I'm in the UK, so this is a UK model. You have the driving on the right hand side. Yeah, it's a D5 2.4 diesel engine. So basically what the problem was, the power steering stiff. So when stationary, now the car stopped, isn't it? So when you start the engine and try to turn, it's very stiff. It's pretty stiff. You can't actually turn it. You would need full hand power. So I took it to the garage. I didn't take to the Volvo dealer. I took it to the local garage. They said I need to replace the pump. And then I was curious, just wanted to find out what could actually go wrong with the pump. I couldn't see, there wasn't any oil leak or anything like that. Power steering fluid was full to the limit it was supposed to be. Had no issues, but still no power steering. So when you're driving, when the car is moving, it's all fine. But when you're parked, when you want to reverse and all, it's absolutely a nightmare. So yeah, I've taken the pump out here. This is the pump. Sorry, I couldn't find any number or EM number or anything there for me to give you. This is the pump. So yeah, I'm not, I haven't made any video. I'm not going to show you how to remove the pump, what to remove and how to put it back, because there are plenty of video on YouTube, you can find it. I thought I would save my time, your time, just showing what the exact problem was. Problem is, yeah. So so my problem is that is very stiff power steering when it's stationary. So as you can see, I've just emptied the oil, and then I removed the casing, and then I removed the dry belt. I removed the hoses, the hose, the pipe, and took this one out. From there it had 10 sorry, not that one there, that one, 1 2 3, and then the one at the back here, this one there, sorry there. So 4, yeah, 1 2 3 4 10mm bolts. You have to undo that and take the thing out. So I've taken it out, so I'm going to show you in the next video what the exact problem was, how I fixed it and how to do that and stuff like that. Any questions, just ask me. I'll try to, I'm not very active on not on YouTube, but I'll try to get back to you with an answer. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Right guys, here's the pump again, the Volvo. So there you go. So again, to confirm what I did, moved it, checked for everything in there, everything looked perfectly okay. And then I was looking for other possibilities that could have caused the pump to be an issue with the pressure. And then I found this one. So it's an Allen key, it's size 4. I removed it and then found the washer inside. It was like solid. It's so stiff. It's like plastic. You try to squeeze it, snapped. Right. So and then I replaced it with a new one. Sorry, not washer. It's an O-ring. Yeah, it's a rubber O-ring. That's what it was there. I couldn't find the O-ring with the Volvo dealer. They didn't have it. They said they don't do any of this kind of stuff. I have to bump the entire pump. So I just went to Halfords, found a box which was 8 quid, put it back in there, and then this one is ready to go into the car now. I mean, into the engine. So, okay. Right guys, yeah, I fixed it back. Yeah, before that I have to confirm again. The internal O-ring and the external one, which goes to the external pressure control valve, that's what I would assume the name for it. The O-ring comes to that. I couldn't get it from the dealer, so they wanted me to get the entire pump. You could try it on Amazon, or you could try it on eBay. eBay is the right place. It's got anything and everything. I didn't try on eBay because I thought I would give it a try just with the control valve, the valve O-ring. I didn't change the internal, the big O-ring. I would advise you to change it, because I'm not sure, as I don't know what's wrong with the pump, or if it's something wrong with the steering wheel rack. I don't know. So as first port of call, I thought just check the pump, check the O-rings, and then take it from there. Right, so yeah, as you can see, there's a big hole in there. So this is the one. So again, this is the one with the new O-ring. This is the one had, which is more like a plastic now. It's more like, yeah, more like a plastic. And you will see a spring. Oops, where did it go? Oh, there you go, mate. Oops, almost missed it. There you go. Careful with it. The most important thing is that when you remove that, when you remove this valve from that you have to use Allen key size 4. It says on mine is size 4 Allen key, right? I don't know if you can see. That's the one, right? So yeah, this thing, these 3 parts fell off, right? So you've got a spring there, and then something's going in there, sitting on it, right? There you go, sitting on it. And then you've got this bearing, the ball thing, and then you got that one going in, right? So what I'm gonna do, just gonna put that one first, and then I'm gonna put, sorry I didn't take the spring, I'm gonna put that, and then the ball, the bearing one, and then that. So I'm gonna fix that, and then I'll show you once it's done. So make sure you apply some oil to it. I just applied some power steering oil across that surface of the O-ring. And there you go, unscrewing it in. It's quite tight now. So let's see, sorry, it's quite dark. It's the maximum lighting I could get. But it wouldn't go in. I don't know if the O-ring is quite big for it. Right, that's the maximum lighting I can have in here. Let me check if I can get it out. Let's see. That's too bright. Right guys, I'm just gonna see how it goes on my own, and then I'll come back with the next video. Okay, it's in. So I've screwed it down to where it was before, because I had a mark in there. So it's time to go and put it back into the engine. Well guys, now the pump is ready to go back in. You might have a question, or you might think if it is possible to remove that external pressure control valve from without removing it. No, it's not at all. It's not possible at all, because as you can see, there's less than half an inch gap there, and there's no way you can get in there. So unfortunately pump has to come out. That's the only solution in here. So yeah, the pump is in. Now I'm gonna put the both the high pressure, the outlet and inlet pipes together, and then put everything back. And then I'm gonna top up with the top up the oil with the new one, brand new one. Let me show you what the one I've got here. Sorry, so this is the oil I've got. I bought it from Euro Car Parts, so it's fully synthetic triple QX. What you have to look for is, now in here it shows Volvo 1161529. I couldn't find this on the manual, you know, the car manual on the service page. And all what it says is what power steering it should go. On the book, on the Volvo book, it has given this number there as this code, WSS M2C204A. It doesn't say Ford on the book, but in here it says Ford. It doesn't matter, I believe. Please, anybody correct if I'm wrong. This is what I went for. Okay, I found that one, bought it. So it's 1 litre. I'm gonna completely change the oil in the power steering pump. I mean power steering reservoir.